हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको इम्पोर्टेंट एक्सप्लेनेशन बताएंगे फॉरगेटिंग बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड के बारे में। फर्स्ट है सर्टेन साइकोलॉजिस्ट टेल्स अस से लेकर के अपॉइंटेड आवर्स, पैरा 2 है। रेफरेंस है इसका, दिस पैसेज हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन फॉरगेटिंग रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड। Context: the writer points out that there are certain matters in which men are most forgetful. For example, people generally forget to take medicine on time. Explanation: in these lines, the writer says that there are psychologists who explain why people forget their things. They say that it is their own desire which makes them forget a thing because they do not like it. This may be the reason of forgetting to take medicine. They dislike pills and doses of liquid medicine. In this way, they forget to take medicine at fixed time. नेक्स्ट है, हिज लॉस ऑफ मेमोरी इज रियली से लेकर मैटर मोर ग्लोरियस, पैरा 5 है ये। रेफरेंस: दिस पैसेज हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन फॉरगेटिंग बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड। Context: in these lines, the author tells us why he regards the forgetfulness of sportsmen, anglers, and poets as a virtue. Explanation है, in these lines describing about the forgetfulness, the writer says that when after a day's fishing an angler returns home by train, he often leaves behind his equipment for catching fish. His fishing rod, he forgets it because he is lost in daydreaming. He enjoys his fishing so much that he becomes absent-minded. This forgetfulness is because of depth of his enjoyment of fishing. In this way, his act of forgetting is to be praised. His forgetfulness of his fishing rod is as a poets forgetting to post a letter. Both are forgetful because their minds are full of more magnificent ideas. They are incapable of remembering such petty things. Next है, who would have trusted Socrates or Coleridge to post a letter? They had souls above such things, पैरा 5 है। रेफरेंस है इसका, these lines have been taken from the lesson Forgetting written by Robert Lind. Context है, in these lines the writer depends absent-mindedness. According to him, absent-mindedness is one of the qualities of a great man. Explanation है, in these lines the writer says that it is a work of folly if someone asks a great man to post the letter and then to blame the great man if he forget to post the letter. A great philosopher like Socrates or a great poet like Coleridge may forget to post letter because their minds are busy in thinking other problems of great importance for a world. Their souls are too high to remember such petty matters as posting letters. The minds of both are filled with matters more glorious for the mankind than such ordinary works as posting letters. Thus, absent-mindedness is a great man in a virtue rather than a vice. Note: first Socrates 469 to 399 BC, a great Greek philosopher. Second Coleridge 1772 to 1834, a famous poet and critic of England in the early 19th century. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा है, दिस इज इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड से लेकर फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड देम, पैरा 5 है। रेफरेंस इसका, दिस पैसेज हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द एसे फॉरगेटिंग रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड। कॉन्टेक्ट है, in these lines the writer explains why the players forget their footballs and cricket bats in the trains. Explanation: according to the writer, when the players return from games, they forget to take their footballs and cricket bats from the train. Their footballs and bats are very important articles to them, yet they forget them. The writer gives a psychological causes for their forgetfulness. He says that while returning home, the mind of a player is full of the event which happened in the playing field. They are still thinking of their achievement or failures. Their achievement fill them with extreme joy. Their failures fill them with great sorrow. In either case, they live in the world of imagination and they are too much excited. In this condition, they are very little aware of the real world. This causes them to forget their balls and bats. Through these articles are very dear to them. Next, a man they say who is a परफेक्ट रिमेम्बरिंग मशीन से लेकर के हैड नो इंटेलेक्ट टू स्पीक ऑफ। पैरा 6 है, ये यूपी बोर्ड 2003 में आया था। रेफरेंस है दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन फॉरगेटिंग रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड। कॉन्टेक्स्ट है इन दीज लाइन्स द राइटर से दैट गुड मेमोरी एंड गुड इंटेलेक्ट डू नॉट नेसेसरली गो टुगेदर इन ए मैन। एक्सप्लेनेशन है द ऑथर सेज दैट द मैन हु हैव extraordinary memory need not be very intelligent. The author has heard about many children and grown up people who had the best possible memories, yet they were without any special mental abilities. Next है the frequency with which the facts से लेकर के memory and of intellect combined। पैरा 6 है। Reference है these lines have been taken from the lesson Forgetting by Robert Lind। Context है in these lines the writer explains why he regards the forgetfulness of sportsmen, anglers, poets and the politicians as virtue। Explanation है the autobiographies and the speeches of the top politicians are full of false statements. Such statements are so often challenged that we given to believe that good politicians that do not live on this earth. There are no politicians with as strong a memory and intellect as found in the great poets। Next है most of us I fear are born with progically से लेकर के any great modern city। पैरा 7। Reference है these lines have been taken from the lesson Forgetting written by Robert Lind। Context in these lines the writer describes the forgetfulness of a person who forget the perambulator and the baby in front of the public house। Explanation in these lines the writer says that the forgetfulness of this man is a rare thing. It is possessed only by philosophers. Most people are not so absent-minded as to forget their babies. They have an efficient memory. Of course, their memory is mechanical and uninteresting things, but without this memory, family will not be possible in a modern crowded city। Next है it is the efficiency rather than से लेकर के meal during the summer। पैरा 1 है। Reference है these lines have been taken from the lesson Forgetting written by Robert Lind। Context है in these lines the writer tells us the things that a modern man usually keeps in memory। Explanation है the lesson is one on the human inefficiency of forgetting, but the writer asserts that he is rather surprised at the wonderful capacity of man usually possesses. He further says that a modern man remembers telephone number and addresses of his friends. He remembers the dates of the best wines under preparation. He remembers invitations to lunch and dinner. There are names of popular actors, actresses, cricketers, footballers and notable murderers in his memory. A common modern man also remembers the weather as it had been month back. He also fails to forget the food he had long back taken in an old-fashioned hotel. Next, the very prospect of a new and वाइडली से लेकर के मेडिसन पीपल फॉरगेट टू टेक पैरा 2 है, ये यूपी बोर्ड 2003 में आया था। रेफरेंस है दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन फॉरगेटिंग बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड। कॉन्टेक्स्ट है इन दीज लाइन्स द ऑथर राइट्स अबाउट द मेडिसन पीपल फॉरगेट टू टेक। एक्सप्लेनेशन रॉबर्ट Lind says that he feels happy to know that there is a new medicine in wide advertisement that cures all the ailments. He buys such an important medicine to use it despite of its cure-all quality. The author forget to take it home. Forgetfulness of medicine. The author hold it is quite profitable to the seller of the medicine because they sell the forgotten medicine once again to the other customers. नेक्स्ट है so little do I rely on his memory से लेकर के guilt from my pocket पैरा 3 है। रेफरेंस these lines have been taken from the lesson forgetting written by Robert Lind। कॉन्टेक्स्ट है the writer thinks that the commonest form of forgetfulness is found in posting letters. In this passage, he discusses it in detail. Explanation: the writer is not in favor of giving his letters to anyone to post them. He is sure that the man would forget them in case he has to give letters to a friend for posting. He gets a solemn promise from him that he would take special care to post them without fail. The author himself forget to post the letter. He says that no wise man should give him letters to post. The author carries the letter in his hand to avoid forgetfulness, yet he passes by a letterbox and forgets to post it. Naturally, he pushes the letters into his own pocket and forgets it altogether. The letter remains there for long. He again comes to remember it only when someone questions him about it. Then he is forced to take it out and he gets aware of his mistakes. Next है walking sticks. I find it quite से लेकर के ever achieved this पैरा 4 है। रेफरेंस है these lines have been taken from the lesson forgetting by Robert Lind। कॉन्टेक्स्ट है in these lines the writer describes weak memory in matters of keeping a walking stick or an umbrella। एक्सप्लेनेशन है the writer confesses that he often loses his walking sticks due to his habits of forgetfulness. He has a strong liking for walking sticks and he buys a new one as soon as the old one is lost. He again forgets the new one either at a friend's house or in a train from where he hastily gets out. He loses umbrella so frequently that now he is afraid of carrying one with him. In his opinion, even a very careful person cannot exist without losing his umbrella. Forgetting or losing umbrella is thus a highly universal features of human life. नेक्स्ट है एंजलर्स आर जनरली सैड से लेकर के ओवर द फीट्स ऑफ द फिशिंग रॉड ऑफ यूटोपिया पैरा 5 है। रेफरेंस दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन फॉरगेटिंग रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड। कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दिस पैसेज द राइटर एनालिसिस द forgetfulness of the anglers। Explanation: anglers are well known for their imaginative flight and so for their absent-mindedness as well. The author does not understand why people hold this opinion about the anglers. The author explained when the anglers reach home, they narrate their fishing session with exaggeration. It involves some false fact in order to invent such false fact that anglers get lost in imaginative inventions. Consequently, they forget all about their fishing rods and other things. Lost in such imaginations, they hurriedly come out of the train and forget their fishing rod in the train. Next, on the other hand, statesmen seems लेकर के of intellect combined. Para 6 है reference. These lines have been taken from the lesson Forgetting written by Robert Lind. Context है here the writer comments on the memory of the statesman. He puts forth strange and funny arguments to establish his point. Explanation. Robert Lind says that the statesmen have the worst type of memories. For example, the author says that some top leaders assembles at a high power meeting. Two of them happen to remember one and the same old incident and enter into a discussion over it. Each of them blames his opponent's memory for its inaccuracy. He calls his rival a perverter of truth due to his sieve-like memory. The autobiographies and the speeches of the statesmen are charged with falsehood. It means that we do not have good statesmen among us. We do have great poets with excellent wisdom, memory and intellect. What our statesmen are still with bad memory mixed with corrupt practice. नेक्स्ट है सी व्हील्ड अवे द पेरम्बुलेटर से लेकर के लंच टुडे यूपी बोर्ड 2003 में आया था. रेफरेंस. दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन फॉरगेटिंग रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट लिंड. कॉन्टेक्स्ट. इन दीज लाइन्स द ऑथर नरेट्स an incident in which a man had taken out his baby in a perambulator. He stopped the perambulator in front of a beer shop and leaving the baby in the perambulator entered the shop for a drink. Meanwhile, the baby's mother happened to go there. Explanation है on finding the baby all alone in the perambulator on the outside, the mother carried the carriage for her to her home to teach a lesson to her husband. She thought that her husband would not find the baby there and would be deeply shocked to see the baby lost. She thought that her baby father would return home with a terrified face and the bad news of losing the baby forever. But she herself got shocked when the forgetful husband entered the home quite calmly just before lunch with a careful face and asked about the items cooked for the lunch. He had fully forgotten the baby. In this way, Mr. Lind shows a case of extreme forgetfulness. थैंक्स. बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट्स. मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, आपको कुछ मिलता है तो मैंने अपना अकाउंट नंबर भी दिया है. जो गुरु दक्षिणा स्वरूप आप दे सकते हैं वो दीजिए, क्योंकि मैं भी एक फैमिली वाला व्यक्ति हूँ. थैंक्स. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. मैं आपके उज्जवल भविष्य की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ.